Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. This pasta recipe is surprisingly quick and easy to make, and it is budget friendly as well. So you have to try it. I think you like it because it is delicate and aromatic. I start by chopping half of a large onion, and I also have 1 pound or half a kilo of mild Italian sausage. You can use the sweet one instead. That is up to you. I saute the onions until they are translucent. It took about 5 minutes on medium-low heat. I apologize for the video quality. I just got a new camera and apparently I put it in a setting that I shouldn't have. But this is one of my favorite dishes and it will not disappoint. So don't forget to subscribe and share as well. Once the onion is like such, I push it around the edges and bring the temperature to medium in order to brown the sausage. I do it in batches. It takes about 3 minutes on each side. I made this recipe for the channel before, but someone asked me to make it again, but with more sauce. So I did. So here you have it. Ask and you shall receive. You can clean your plate with a piece of bread. I am using pappardelle pasta. It goes well with meaty sauces. So you should try it. If you haven't tried it, try it. While the sausage was browning, I chopped about half a teaspoon of rosemary and measured 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds. Now that the sausage is the way I want it, I make room in the middle of the pan and I'm going to add the rosemary and the fennel. Not sure if you noticed, but I haven't added any salt or pepper because the sausage is already seasoned. So that's easy. I'm going to allow the rosemary to yield some of its oil for a minute, and I'm going to toast the fennel seeds. And it's going to smell like heaven. Again, that's half a teaspoon of rosemary and 1 of fennel seeds. And then you mix everything well. You can adjust the quantities to your liking. I also coarsely chopped some baby bella mushrooms while the sausage was cooking. That's optional, but the recipe tastes much better with them. And I will cook them for a few minutes. The water is boiling, so I need to put the pasta in. That water has salt. It's gonna take 7 minutes to be al dente. The reason why the pasta needs to be al dente is because it's easier for your digestive system to process. You won't feel as heavy after eating it. Next, I'm gonna deglaze the pan with 1/3 of a cup of white wine. That's cooking wine, but you can use the same wine you will drink with dinner. Allow the alcohol to evaporate for about 3 minutes. Then add 2/3 of a cup of half and half or heavy cream. I use half and half because I want a lighter sauce. And we'll simmer it for a few minutes to reduce. The next step is to add 2 ladles of salted pasta water. Sorry about the color in that video. The starch in the pasta is going to thicken the sauce. You can also add a little chicken broth for more flavor, and don't forget to turn the stove off and add the pasta. And speaking of pasta, I have a playlist on different pasta dishes that you will enjoy. Check it out. The pappardelle is going to absorb all those flavors, guys. I added some of the sauce and some grated grana padano. And there you have it, a winning recipe. Chaito.